One word that excites me about AI right now, speed. Every rep request that used to sit in my queue now gets a research response within minutes. Hey everyone, my name's Stephen Borobio Bennett. I'm on the revenue operations team here at Asana. A big part of my role is being the person that reps and partners actually come to for advice when something goes wrong. I wake up every morning with my Slack inbox completely full. Messages never stop. And today I'm going to walk you through how I use an AI teammate to actually help me triage our revenue inbox from Slack so that every request gets a fast research response within minutes, even when I'm not around. Because I keep all my work in Asana, every request has a full trail. So who submitted it, what the original Slack message contents were, what the AI teammate resolution was, and when a similar issue does come again, the teammate can actually draw on that history. And because the tasks are multi-homed into our global revenue inbox projects, anyone on the team can actually see what's happening in real time without me having to send status updates. So when somebody reaches out to me in Slack, they normally just send me a message that looks something like this. What I want to do is to actually get this into our Asana project, which is where the revenue inbox actually lives. And in order to do that, I simply just use the Asana integration within Slack, create a task that way, and you can see what that actually looks like. And what I do is I copy and paste all the context from the Slack transcript into the Asana integration here, and that'll then feed into my Asana task. After a Slack message is converted into an Asana task, it makes its way into our revenue operations inbox project. It starts off as a new request, and you can see that I've got rules set up in here, categorizing a lot of the information in the custom fields of the task. So you can see here, it's done all the administrative work around estimating the level of effort, the department that needs to resolve it, etc. It pretty much eliminates the need for the rep to go through a tedious form and do that all themselves. And finally, AI teammate comes in right at the end of all of that categorization and has a first pass on what the issue might actually be and figured out, okay, here are the relevant people to escalate to, here is the specific issue. AI teammates has done the triaging, and I was pretty much hands off throughout this entire process. We actually figured out we were saving the field around about 165.6 working hours each week just by not having them go through this form. And that doesn't even factor in the average response time, which was around about 3 to 4 days. We actually got that down to less than 1 day with this workflow as well. And so all of those cost savings in terms of time savings and actual resolution times, we also worked out it was essentially recovering around about one of our sales reps quotas, equivalent to about 100K per annum. And what I love about this setup is that it isn't just mine. Any rep in the region can actually post in this Slack channel, and they get a structured, well-researched response. And as more requests come through, the teammate actually gets more and more context to work with because everything lives back in that Asana project as a reference. That's how we're using AI teammates on our team. I hope this sparks some ideas. Check the description down below to learn more.